Hello everybody, I'm Adrian. So here I am at the junkyard. I'm looking for an engine to put on that F-150 I just bought. So lots of old vehicles here. So that truck's got the 4.9 liter, but I really want me a V8 just because the way they sound, the extra horsepower, and this is the only one I've seen so far. Got oil in it. Oil didn't look too bad, but this is a 351 out of a F250. So if I get the computer, because going from a 600 to a V8, I gotta have that computer, and it's all complete. So unfortunately I don't have time to get it today. Hopefully it'll still be here, but I doubt it because the 351s are getting hard to find. There's other 5.0s that I found, 302s here in this yard, but this one right here, I don't think it'll stay long just because of being complete. And I would go through it all, and I would also want to put headers. But yeah, I think this is it right here. So hopefully it'll be available within a couple days, because unfortunately I just can't come pick it up today. I found another engine at 302. I think it was way up here, but if I can find me the 351, that's what I want to put in. So here's a 302, but this one, it doesn't look in good shape. This was kind of rough, and it's not complete either. So yeah, what do you guys think? I think I should really go for the 351. Yeah, unfortunately I don't got time today. I was just looking around and see what we got, but there it is right there, the engine that I want. So I think this is the only one. I don't think it'll be here for long. So I still gotta check and see what's wrong with that 6-cylinder that's on my truck. So I was told that engine was losing oil pressure. I started it up with a carb cleaner, and it showed oil pressure on the gauge, didn't knock or anything. So it might be a good engine. Those straight sixes are pretty good, but I'll still get that V8 though, just to, in the meantime, even if I get that 6-cylinder engine, I can be building that V8 and have it ready to drop. That way I can still be driving that truck. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I definitely want that 351, even though the 302 is easier to find. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.